Hi, and welcome back to Math with Mr. G. I'm here for my 4th grade students at the Syracuse Academy of Citizenship. Today we're going to be going over an example from Mission 4, Lesson 9 on Zearn. As you can see here, we have our objective. We're going to decompose angles using pattern blocks. So I have here for us 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern blocks. And we're going to look at how these can be decomposed or help us decompose angles. Now, a very simple one here is to, of course, use our protractor and start here at the bottom line, and then start a second line here and follow your finger and your protractor all the way up to this top line. And what's nice about these being blocks is that we know that these are already, and you can check with your protractor, these are already 90-degree angles. And what's cool about this is that because each one is 90-degree angles, and you can prove that using your protractor all the way around, you'll know that each box, we'll say box A is equal to 90, box B is equal to 90, box C is equal to 90, and then box D is equal to 90. And now, just to do some quick math to show a cool correlation for you guys here, or a cool example of how you can think about this, is using pattern blocks determines not just how much each one is worth, but also follows a lot of the rules that we have already with math. So for instance, if I were to, for instance, look here and I see that I have 90, 90, 90, 90, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 90s. Let's see what their total sum here, the total product is if I were to take 90 and multiply by 4 to see what all of these together would be. 4 times 0 being 0, 4 times 9 being 36. Well, that's interesting because we know that 360 is also equal to the total sum of an angle, of all the angles and degrees around a circle. So it's almost like if I were to take another line here and then bring it all the way around 90, 180, 270, 360. And what's really, really cool about that is that even though this is a square, we can define 360 degrees not just around a circle anymore, but we can define that as 360 degrees is one complete turn around a single point. Not always as a circle. So this works with any shape. Rectangles, triangles, all of those things, they all equal 360 degrees if you start in the center as a single point and go all the way around like we just did with this square. And you'll see a lot of examples that's in today's Zearn lesson. But of course, the most simple to look at and understand, aside from a circle, is to then go with a square because every angle is 90 degrees within inside the square. I hope this video helps. If it's confusing you guys, just rewatch it. It's also going to be covered in a lot of depth within the Zearn lesson. I look forward to seeing your work, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.